everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I will explain you how we can optimize our Naukri profile. So basically I will explain the 10 important tips and tricks for the optimize our Naukri profile in a 2025. So basically if you are the fresher or experienced candidate, so you are not getting the call or any notification from the Naukri. So basically why this happen? So basically in this session I will explain you step by step complete detail for the this one how we can optimize and how we can rank our Naukri profile in a please watch this video completely. So end of the video I will also share you some important tricks for the fresher. If you are the fresher and not getting the call or not getting any notification from the Naukri, so you can simply apply those simple tips and tricks in your Naukri profile. Definitely you will receive the call from the naukri.com or any recruiter. So friends, if you are the new to my YouTube channel, so please like this video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends and family members. Okay, so without further delay, let's start the session. So first of all, we need to understand that how the Naukri portal will work. Okay, so once we understand the Naukri portal, then we will easily get to know how we can optimize our Naukri profile. So for that, first of all, in the Naukri there is a two login. First login for the job seeker and second login is for the employer or recruiter. So basically using that two login, basically Naukri will be basically employer will be searching for the candidate profile from the Naukri, and for the job seeker, basically they will search the job on the Naukri portal. So basically, in first is the job seeker. So basically, they are creating their profile on Naukri portal. They will upload their resume and other detail. And also, once it will be done, then after that they will search the job and they will apply for the job. In the other hand, there is the recruiter. So recruiter also using the Naukri portal. So they will profile shortlisted and then they will resume selected, and after that they will use the advanced filter for the fetching the data or fetching the profile from the Naukri.com. Okay, so for the job seeker, basically the first thing is that creation of the second thing is that basically once your profile will be created, then second thing is the profile optimization. So this is the very important thing, and many of the candidate will be missing these things, and due to that basically they will not getting the call from the Naukri.com. Optimization profile is the technique that we can rank our profile, so such a way that it will be highlighted by the Naukri portal. Okay, so using the different 10 technique or 10 trip, so I will explain you how we can optimize our profile. And basically if you optimize your profile, then definitely your profile will be ranked. So Naukri will be recommended your profile to the recruiter. So basically if you optimize your profile, so then you can check your profile performance will be higher. So you can check there is a search appearance will be appear, and then 96 recruiter will be action will happen, and the activity level will be high. The 10 different tips that will be improve your profile optimization, and you will easily get the notification from the Naukri. So basically in a further slide I will explain you the this important tips that will be important whenever you optimize your profile. And in the end of the session I will explain you for the important tips and tricks for the fresher. After the creating your profile, optimization is a very important thing. After that you can search the job and apply for the job. Guys, then you will profile will be shortlisted and you will call for the interview. Recruiter also their own login, so they will using that login they will log in into Naukri portal. So basically they are posting the job, either they will searching the for the candidate. So for the searching candidate they will using the advanced filter method. So this is the advanced filter method, basically Redrix resume database access filter method. I will explain you further slide how it will be work and what is the impact on your profile search. Then second thing is the Boolean search technique or Boolean search algorithm for the shortlisting the profile. So for that they will using the and or not. This is the technique search engine. So after that basically your profile will be shortlisted. If any candidate profile will be shortlisted, then they will schedule their interview or they will connect with that candidate. Take the one profile from the Naukri. So let's say consider this is the X person, X candidate profile. So he updated a profile like job title, SQL developer, skill as a SQL, SSRS, then database developer, then experience around 6 years, notice period, serving notice period, last working day is the 15 August 2025. Then last profile update is the today at 10 a.m. The resume title is a you can check the first name last name underscore 6 years of experience underscore SQL developer underscore immediate join dot PDF. So basically this is the profile, and like that same way in a Naukri there is a 10 lakh plus resume uploaded on the Naukri rated. This will be all the detail will be stored in a backend of the Naukri. So basically Radix is a database, and it is the engine basically resume database access, so where the all the detail will be stored. So in the candidate from the Naukri portal. So basically, you can consider this is a XYZ company, and in that company, basically, position is a SQL developer. Basically, recruiter search the criteria based on this parameter. Okay, so position is a SQL developer, work experience 5 to 7 years, notice period is a less than 30 day, and immediate joiner or immediate joiner. Then SQL skill is the SQL SSRS, optional skill is the SSIS. Then resume freshness updated in a last 1 day, and then they will provide the job description. So it will be matched with the job seeker profile. So if the job seeker will be optimize their profile, then definitely the search engine will be take it profile from the Naukri database, and it will be show it to the recruiter. Which criteria they will search the candidate on the Naukri portal, and it will be going to the backend. So backend, what happen in a Naukri search engine, it will be Boolean search algorithm. So basically this is the algorithm automatically trigger, and in that algorithm basically it is a conditional base. It will be filter the data in a algorithm, like, so you can check the parameter is the SQL developer or database. Then you can check the and. So this is a condition. So first condition will be satisfied with this job seeker profile. Then second condition is the skill like SQL and SSRS. And then in bracket you can check immediate joiner or notice period or the serving notice. So out of that one condition will be satisfied. So basically you can check in a job seeker profile there is a notice period. So notice period, serving notice last working day is the 15 August 2025. So based on that it will be getting to know that this is a basically this profile will be filter on this search criteria. Also you can check the not fresher. So not condition will be apply here. So other than the fresher all profile will be shortlisted on the experience. So but here they will use the not fresher. Then next condition you can check, and this condition is a very important, updated greater than or equal to date add in bracket day comma -1 comma get date. So basically this is a syntax will be filter the data like the 24 hours before the data, 24 hour before the profile. So basically the Naukri search engine will be recommended that whoever the last updated or you are actively on the Naukri portal, then definitely your profile will be in a Boolean search algorithm. So based on that, basically the data will be filtered, and we can just consider that in a Radix database there is a 10 lakh plus the profile match with this requirement. And out of that, if you optimize your profile, then definitely this job seeker profile will be in the Boolean search algorithm will be detected. And if the this will be detected based on the your profile optimization. And second thing here you can notice that, so immediate joiner. So basically how the immediate joiner will be is there. So basically you can check the resume title as well. In the resume title also mention that immediate join. So based on that keyword, basically it will be getting the data from the Naukri database. Okay, in a Boolean search algorithm it will be filter the data out. 100 profile will be shortlisted. So this 100 profile will be sent to the advanced filter. Consider is that in a Boolean search, there is a 100 profile shortlisted. In an advanced filter, only the 10 resume will be shortlisted. And if you optimize your profile, definitely your profile will be shortlisted. And once your profile shortlisted, then definitely you will get the call from the recruiter. This is the one example, not exactly you can take, but I will just demonstrate about the what happened in a backend. So basically, this is the one algorithm running in a backend in a Naukri search engine. So it will be filtering the data based on the condition. So if you not optimize your profile, then this algorithm or this advanced filter not detect your profile, and your searches will be decreased. And also you can check your performance will be profile will be down, goes down, and recruiter action will be zero. So this is the because of the you have not optimized your profile. So in that case basically what happens, so any job opening is there, so your profile will be rejected in that case. So now if you optimize your profile, then what happens? So basically in that case basically you can check if you upload your profile 100% and you have not any kind of the missing detail, or if you regularly update, activity level will be goes high, and in that case your search appearance means your basically the profile will be suggested by the Naukri search engine. And if your profile will be in a search engine, then definitely it will be your recruiter action, like you can check the 96 recruiter action will be happen in your profile. So out of the 96 in the last 7 days, basically you will receive the 10 to 15 call at that time. In case of the fresher, basically the fresher also you can do the same thing. You can optimize your profile using the 10 simple tips. Also you can follow some the guideline or follow some the tricks that will be really helpful you for the your profile optimization. And definitely if you follow this technique, then your profile will be shortlisted. Now going to the next, so resume format tips. So basically it is a very important that, so first thing I will clear here. So basically the first thing you need to optimize your profile. Then second thing, you need to optimize your profile in a such way that you will profile will be visible and your profile will be ranked. Basically I will, first of all I will suggest you can basically focus on your Naukri profile. If the Naukri profile will be optimized, definitely your searches will be increased, your profile will be ranked. And if your profile will be ranked, so automatically Naukri search engine will also recommended your profile. So first of all your profile will be searches, and after that your resume will be downloaded by the recruiter. So it is a very important that make sure resume easily searchable and keyword optimized for the Naukri search engine. For that I have opened some resume format. So basically this is the one resume. In that resume you can check simple format is there. So first thing is that resume file name. So first of all we need to focus on the file name. Actually resume headline is a such a way that you can add your number of years of experience, then your skill, then whatever the technology you are the working on, that technical skill. So basically the keyword is playing very important role for the optimization your resume as well. So key section, basically you have add your IT skill, whatever the skill you are currently working. So basically like the SQL development, performance tuning, or the if you are the working on the Power BI, like that skill you can mention clearly, and you can highlight your skill on your resume. Then second, fourth thing, keyword to be used. Formatting, basically the you can use the ATS friendly formatting, and also the whatever the your employment. After that you can mention your certification and training, that can be help you for the interview call from the Naukri.com. Also if you use these tips, then it will be also important for the your improve the Naukri visibility. And you know that if your Naukri visibility increase, then it will be getting the search. We'll take the tip number one, resume headline and make it a search friendly. So basically you can check Naukri portal. So basically you can use the resume headline, like in that basically your skill, then you can also mention your basically year of experience, and then you can mention the, if you are the immediate joiner, then you can mention the immediate joiner. For example you can check software tester. This is the basically the symbol that you can use for the separation of the two string. Okay, after that you can mention your basically year of experience, and after that if you are the immediate joiner, then you can mention the immediate joiner. To the Naukri profile, and left side you can check the your resume headline. So you can click on the pencil icon, and this is the thing. Currently I have not optimized this one. So basically you can check Google. Basically there are different tools available for the optimization. So I will also optimize my resume headline, and I will copy and paste here. So once you pasted here, so you can check, I have clearly mentioned that senior MSBI developer. You can mention this symbol, and after that you can use the basically 6 years of experience in the different skill. Basically after that you can mention the other things as well. So once you can done, you can save the changes. So tip number two, optimize resume file name. So basically it is very important that you need to optimize your resume file name. So in a previous slide I will also explain you how you can the optimize your resume file name. So basically in that, basically we'll take the example. So in a Naukri, basically you can, first of all you can mention your first name, last name, underscore your the job role. After that you can mention your skill, and if you are the total year of experience, and then if you are the immediate join, you can mention the immediate join dot pdf. Naukri portal, and in the left side you can check the resume. So there is a, you can check this is the resume that I uploaded in a fast few days, but you can regularly update daily basis the resume on the Naukri portal. It will be getting the highlighted by the Naukri search engine. So first of all I will show you. So I have the mention my the resume like the first name last name underscore, then I have mentioned the year of experience, then the my job role. After that I have mentioned the my skill, and then if you're the immediate joiner you can mention that immediate joiner. So basically I will rename this one, and then basically what I will do, I will select this resume in a for the uploading on the Naukri portal. So you can upload your resume daily basis on Naukri portal. You successfully uploaded the resume, so you can check the today's date. So the tip number three, skill section is the IT and skill. So maximize your visibility. So it is a very important that you can add in a skill section or the different skill section. There we can add your visibility. So we can add your the basically skill. So basically you can add the skill like the 25 to 30 relevant skill in your profile. So for that basically we can if you are the working on any kind of the technology, for that you can like the for example SQL or Power BI or the cloud or Python. So you can add the skill in your profile. So for that first of all you can go to your profile, and you can go to the left side. There is the option is that basically key skill. So you can click on that. You can after that you can click on the pencil icon. So this is the thing that we can add more relevant skill in your profile. So for example if you are the working on SQL and parallelly you are working on the SSRS, SSIS, and all these things that you are working on, currently working on or previously working on, you can add in a skill section. Skill section I will add maximum my skill in the skill section. So like then I will also add for the Azure cloud, then I will also add the like the Power BI, and you can check there is a save successfully. So then secondly IT skill. So it is a very important, you can add your IT skill. So you can add detail, then you can skill and software name. So basically you can add here, you can use the last use, then year of experience. So basically it is a very important that you can add the currently using. Basically whenever the any recruiter searching the any criteria, so basically the recent the skill on that technology. So then in that case the year is a basically key. Basically using that key recruiter get to know that key, this is the latest knowledge on the IT skill. So after that year of experience, after that you can click on the save. And if you already added some skill, so that time what you can do, you can edit the that detail. So year of experience also you can edit the detail like the last use. After that you can click on the save, so it will be saved successfully. Number four, profile summary, use relevant keyword. So that basically we previously understood that keyword will playing very important role in a search optimization. So basically in a profile summary, basically where the recruiter mostly searching the key skill. So you can add the write a 2 to 3 paragraph summary that include the job role, then tools, then technology, key skill, certification, and industry. So basically for example SQL developer or Python, or you are working on the testing or the Java development, so you can add those skill and along with the 2 to 3 paragraph for your summary. So how we can add? So for that you can go to the Naukri portal, go to the profile summary, click on the pencil icon. So as of now I have not optimized this profile summary, but I will optimize my profile summary. So after that you can check there is a 2 to 3 paragraph we can add for the profile summary. Once you added this detail you can click on the save, and the detail will be saved in a next. Tip number 5. So basically use keyword in a project and work experience. So it is a very important. So basically use keyword in a project and work experience. So many of student will not added the keyword in a project and work experience. So it is a very important. If you want your profile will be optimized, you will get the call from the recruiter. Basically we understand that the keyword, based on the keyword it will be filter your profile, and based on that your profile will be ranked. Employment, add employment, or if you have existing employment you can update those employment. So like you can use the skill. So basically currently you are working, or additionally if you are working any skill you can mention, and along with that there is a job description or job profile. So you can also add the job profile as well. So once it's done you can click on the save, so it will be saved successfully. So then secondly is the project. On multiple projects, so you can add all the project in a Naukri portal. So basically project title, team size, currently project for the which client. So all these detail, and if you scroll down, then there is a one option, there is a detail of project and basically the skill or your role. So also you can add your role and skill, or if you're the working on any new technology, also you can mention the that detail in a skill, because of the search engine or the advanced filter working on the skill on this. So once the save, the all the detail will be saved in a Naukri portal. Important tips. Tip number 6: choose job preference smartly. So basically, you can choose the job preference. For example, you can take the software developer, data analyst, or the QA tester, or the SQL developer, so whatever it may be. So we can add the those skill in your career profile and basic details. So preferred job location like the Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, or remote. In a career profile, there is a pencil icon. You can click on the pencil icon, there is a career profile, and after that you can check the current industry, department, a job category, then a job role. So basically you can check prepared work location, maximum 10 entry we can add here. So basically you can add whatever possible as per your preference. Okay, so after that you can add the expected salary. So for the experienced person, as per your expectation, we can mention your salary. And for the fresher case, if you are not okay to write, then you can mention the 00 in that case. Step, you can go to the your top of the where we are uploading your profile. So basically you can go to the header, and there is a pencil icon. So click on the pencil icon. This is a basic detail. So the detail is showing that currently you are working for the which location, and for the which company you are, basically your work status. And in a below, if you scroll down, so there is a notice period. So basically notice period is a very important. And in a basically search criteria, in a boolean search algorithm, there is a one parameter is a default path, that is the notice period. So basically if you not add the notice period, I will suggest you can add the notice period. So basically if you are the serving the notice period, so in that case you can select the serving notice period. And if you're the basically if you selected notice period, serving notice period, then you can add expected last working day. In that basically you can add year, month, and day. And if suppose if you are the not the serving notice period, then in that case you can select the other option. Tip number 7: enable job alert and notification. So Naukri portal, so basically the job alert will be created automatically. So if you are applying continuously any particular job, so the Naukri also creating the job alert for you. But this is not sufficient, so you can also create your own job alert and notification. So basically it is a very important that for the job alert and notification, you basically verify your email and mobile number on the Naukri portal. Otherwise you will not receive the job alert or any kind of the notification, that either it will be received from the naukri.com or the recruiter. There is the three dots. So first of all you can click on the three dot. Once you click on the three dot, the you can go to the basically the below is a setting option. So in a setting, basically you can click on the setting. Once you click on the setting, you will get the new window. Then in a new window, basically you can check that there is a different option, so you can go through that one. So basically in the left side, you can check immediately looking for the job. So you can select this one, and there is a in the B side there is a customization. So you can click on the customization, so it will be redirect to the one new page. So basically the notification for the email or mobile, so basically it will be received or not. So basically you can select the this notification. So below is the manage alert and basically the alert. So basically this is the automatically alert created, or if you have created your alert, then you can find out the alert in this section. So basically you can click on that, and once you click there, so you can find the existing alert that will be previously created. If you want, you can modify alert. So for example, you can change the keyword, like the if you are not working any skill, then you can remove that keyword. Or if you additionally any skill, so you can add the skill in that section, and you can change the other detail if you required. So once it's done, then you can click on the update job alert, so it will be updated automatically in a backend. So now for the creating new job alert, so for that you can go to the jobs, then below you can check create free job alert. So you can click on that. So the new window will open. So in that window, basically you can add keyword like SQL developer, Python, or whatever it may be. So based on your skill, so you can add the skill location, then year of experience, then expected salary, then job category, role, and basically the you can mention your job alert name. Once you added this one, then you can click on the create job alert, so it will automatically save on the backend. So once it will be done, you can go through the next one. So you can check the basically other details, so it will be also enable. So basically whenever we create account, so that time basically many of the option is the disable by defaultly, but you can enable all the notification from the Naukri. So basically this can, you can check the basically recruiter also sending the notification invite from the Naukri, but if you not enable this one, then you will miss that detail and you will not get the basically any detail from the Naukri. Upload all the detail. So basically after that you can save the all the changes, then you can scroll down. There is the one more option, not actively looking but open for the opportunity. So this is the very important on the customization, and below is the select option. So first of all you can click on the select, then you can go to the customization, and here basically in a future notification alert, so you can enable this one. So basically by default, as I said, this is the disable, so you can enable clicking on that. So once it's done, then you can save this all the detail, and you can explore other details. Basically you can check job preference, work location. So basically if you have mentioned the Mumbai, Pune, so you can add all your job preferred location here, and also below is the expected salary. So basically as per your convenient, you can add the expected salary in a below. So once it's done, you can save the all the changes. Now, tip number 8, regular profile updates in a daily or weekly. But I will suggest you for the fresher, you can update your profile regularly to the recently updated profile first. So this is the search engine criteria. So if you want your profile will be searches will be increased, then you can definitely you can complete these changes. You can regularly update your profile, and basically you can complete the detail like your you can verify your the basically the mobile number, then email ID regularly. Also you can mention all the detail in the basically in this thing. The adjusting the headline or skill will be refresh your profile and make it visible to the recruiter. First of all you can go to your profile icon, click on the three dot, then in a below basically you can check your profile preference. So you can click on that. After that there is a view all. Once you click on there, so in you can check in the left side. So this is the search appearance. Basically this is your profile performance. So I will things. So basically you can check there is a 710 search appearance. Basically the 710 search appearance means 710 time your profile will be searches by the recruiter, or a recruiter action will be happen in a previous 7 day. So you can consider that if the 39 recruiter action will be happen, so you can check the out of the 39 you will receive the 10 to 15 call in the last 7 days. So this is the thing if you optimize your profile. So you can check the below basically in a left side, in a right side there is a basically activity level. So basically activity level you can check regularly log into the your Naukri account. So basically it will be also recommended. Also you can respond the recruiter mail or messages. Then lastly keep your profile up to date. So basically you can update profile regularly, so it will be activity level will be increased. So in that basically what we need to exactly do, so basically you can check. So you can basically complete your profile photo, then in a first section you can update your email ID, then profile updated today. So once it will be appear like that, so that means the profile last updated. So this is the one parameter that will be enabled, and it will be fetching the data by the recruiter search. So there is a resume section. So in a resume section also you can update your resume daily basis. So you can check also updated on the 6th July 2025. So tip number 9, complete your Naukri profile 100%. So basically it is a very important to that you can update your profile 100%. So because of, so Naukri also suggested the this profile recommendation to the recruiter, and in a Naukri search engine it will be highlighted your profile whenever any search will be happen. Naukri also give the top priority to the fully completed profile first. So this is the basically search criteria. So Naukri search engine also give the profile. If you optimize your profile, so it will be going to the rank and it will be go to the top level. So basically it will be very important to complete your Naukri profile 100%. Mostly activated between the basically the morning session. So you can check Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to the 6 p.m. So this is a recruiter time. So when the recruiter will be searching the any kind of the opening, they will also searching the for the profile on the Naukri profile. So it is a very important that update your profile or the apply to the job during the those hours for the maximum exposure. So basically, if you activated in that time, so basically it is a very helpful for you for your optimization, and your searches will be increased. And once your searches will be increased, then the recruiter action will be happen with your profile. Once the recruiter action will happen, then your resume will be downloaded, and once your resume downloaded, you will get the call for the any kind of the interview, or your interview will be scheduled. The one profile, thus that once after the basically this is the one profile after the completion of the optimization technique and keyword. So basically you can check in a 30-day, last 30 days there is a 2938 searches will be happen with this profile, and out of that basically 203 recruiter action will be happen. I've done some practical, and in the practical I have find that basically recruiter mostly active in a which time. So basically you can check basically the search appearance from the for the last 30 day. So if I scroll down, so I will just filter it to the 7 day. Last 7 day you can check. So this is the graph it will be generated, and this is the analytical provided by the Naukri. Searches happen by the recruiter, and based on that it will be capturing the data. So basically you can check. So I have opened my calendar as well. So in a calendar, basically this is the 27, so 20 to Friday. So this is the time for the Monday to Friday. There the searches will be appear goes high. So basically to 120 on the Friday, which is the very high. Then Saturday it will be like the 30 searches will be there, and after that Sunday it will goes down to the zero, and after the that one, so Monday it will again goes high, like 18 searches will be happen, and after that Monday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that time basically searches will be increased. So it is the very important that, so I have show you. So recruiter mostly activated between the Monday to Friday of the 203. So action will happen with profile, and if you check, there is a Naukri profile view 140, then resume downloaded 43, out of that in invite sent out of the 68, and contact view by the 57. So basically out of the 43, so maybe there is a chances that key out of the 20 to 25 call will be received from the Naukri.com. If you optimize your profile, so you will get the basically your profile will be ranked, and also Naukri search engine it will be also suggested this profile to the recruiter. Now we will check important tips to the improve your Naukri profile visibility. So friends, it is a very important that, so once your profile will be searches and recruiter action will be happen. So after the recruiter what will be do? So basically it will be go through your profile. It will be check the your visibility, like whatever the things we can basically we have uploaded Naukri profile visibility. So first thing is that, so basically the basically first thing, upload recent clear and professional profile photo. So basically it is a very important to your face will be clearly visible on the your Naukri portal. Basically for that you can add the changes. Then second important tips, that focus on the single job role, avoid the adding the multiple unrelated job title, then to the maintain the profile relevance. Okay, so basically it is a very important that you can focus on the single job role. So for the fresher I will give the suggestion that basically they have uploaded like the, if you are the looking for the Java development, along with that they will also adding the some the basically full stack development or the backend or the web development, but you can focus on the one the skill at a time, so it will be increase your visibility on the Naukri. Then tip number 3, so basically complete your profile 100%, add all the missing details. So basically it is a very important, so you can complete your profile 100%, then it will be basically increase your visibility. Then tip number 4, update your Naukri profile daily. A regular activity increase your chances for the appearing in a recruiter searches. So I have show you in a previous slide that key basically if you are the actively on the Naukri portal, then your profile will be getting the shortlisted, and your searches will be happen. So basically you can add update your profile in a daily basis. So tip number 5, update your resume 3 times in a day. So basically for the fresher, I will suggest you can update your resume in a 3 times. So basically morning, afternoon, or evening. So it will be increase your visibility of the Naukri profile. So for the recruiter must be active between the 10 a.m. to the 12 p.m. So basically in that time be active you can apply most of the things and you can apply more job in that time. So it will be basically your profile visibility increase, and there is a chances that recruiter will be take the action on your profile also. In a previous slide I will explain you. So basically the recent updated profile suggested by the Naukri search engines. Then next important tip for the fresher profile. So the important topic is that for the fresher. So basically fresher also facing the lot of things. They are not getting the call. So I have show you, I have explain you why they will not get call. But some important tips for the fresher, if you update this one, then definitely your profile will be highlighted. So basically first important tip is that for the fresher, highlight the project, certification, internship, and the technical skills. So basically for the fresher, it is a very important. If you are the fresher, you can focus on your project, your certification, or internship. So basically if you optimize the profile, then you can focus on these things. Definitely your profile visibility will be increased. Then tip number 2, upload the certification. So basically if you are the fresher, that time if you have done any kind of the certification like the Power BI, then SQL, then the cloud. So basically you can upload all the certification on the Naukri portal. So it will be basically very important. Then tip number 3, so apply for the 0 to 2 years experience job. Even if you are the fresher, many recruiter will be shortlisted for the fresher for those role. So basically the second reason is that basically whenever you apply for the 0 to 2 years experience job, so basically what happen that time, your profile will be searches will be increased, and there is a chances ki you will get the starting the call from the Naukri, or you will get the notification from the Naukri. Because of the search will be increased, then your profile will be ranked, and once your profile will be ranked, you will get the starting the call. Tip number 4, so basically Naukri paid subscription. So for that I will not recommend it, you can purchase the paid subscription. But if you're not getting anything urgency for the job, then you can also go for the paid subscription. The detail that you can check on Google, so you will get easily get the paid subscription detail on the internet. So you can also go to the this option as well. Then tip number 5, create a video profile on the Naukri app. So basically you can download the Naukri app from the Play Store, and there is the one option is that video profile. So for the fresher I will suggest you can create your own video profile. I will show you how you can create a video profile.
To meet you, we've got your back. With Naukri.com's latest video profile feature, communicate your personality beyond the resume. Here are some tips on how to make the perfect video profile. Number 1, just like you would for any interview, it is important for you to look presentable in your video profile. Make sure you are well.
Yes, I hope this video is useful for you. If you optimize your profile using the 10 simple tips, and also parallel you can add some profile visibility the tricks on your profile, then definitely your profile will be search increase, your profile will be ranked. And once your profile will be ranked, then definitely recruiter action will happen with your profile. Once the recruiter action will happen, then there is a chances you will start the getting the call from the recruiter. Also you will receive the notification from the Naukri.com. So basically I will suggest you can apply these things, and you can monitor for the 7 day. After that you can check the result, and you can check the analysis using the profile page. Thank you friends for the watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button in the below. Also if you are the new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon, so you will get the notification when I upload the video. So friends, you can share this video with your friends and family members who are just struggling for the interview call. So it will be very helpful for them. So thank you friends, and wish you happy learning.